It's the
Starting
Lady Red
for
Spikers
San Beda,
versus the
setter
Golden
Grace
Sixes.
Siponia, Sofia De La Cruz, Erin Navarro, Angel Abacon, Jillian Katubig, Janelle Bachar, and Angel Campos is their starting libero. On the side of UST, Arlene Wahe, Blessing Onekwe, Maymay Coronado, Angge Poyo, Sai Sagulad, Julia Balingit, and their team captain as usual, si Detira. The fun keeps rolling. 50 years of fun, family, and pizza at Shakey's. Do you see Cassie Carvalho on the bench?
I don't think Cassie Carvalho is suited up for the match, which is why Arlene Wahe is the setter.
Nicely done. Hiponia setting up her.
Want to start off strong, especially when you're going up against an experienced team like UST.
Binawi agad. May Coronado. Arlene Wahe. Julia Balingit. Right on cue, Kayla.
Bringing in that consistency factor for UST. One-on-one there.
From the insertion of Coach Kung Fu Reyes, I feel like it's Janelle Bachar. Diba?
I also noticed that actually in our previous match, one of the top scorers despite their loss, but her improvement to get her to really deliver for San Beda, especially when you compare her performance. So far, I like the movement we're seeing on the side of San Beda.
Ganda sana ng coverage eh. Di lang talaga naipasok. Bachar, malayo-layo sa net. Oh, Sai Sagula emerging from the middle. Nice save though. But unfortunately, that play was brought to you by Kick, powered by Smart. Our way, our rules. Download the app now. Timeout. San Beda. Nice pass by Poyos. Hiponia jumps it up. Wahe from the pipe. Angge Poyos delivers.
What a hit coming from the Bayos. Take a look at this. Parang frontline attack na to eh.
The spike brought to you by Potato Corner, World's Best Flavored Fries. Dig by Pepito. Campos bumps it up to Angel Habacon.
What a cross-court attack coming from is powerful hit coming from this girl.
Malabang ng Golden Tigresses. Janelle Bachar cross-court. Picked up by Gula. Balingit! Nice
save.
Dig by Amber Biong. From the pipe, Gula. San Beda moving much better. Pepito picks it up. Poyos. Pancake save by Hiponia. Nice rally here between these two squads. Balingit picks it up her own. Poyos had to adjust. Angel Abaco na itawid. Mahaba-habang rally ito. Angge Poyos will not be denied this time.
Quality rat. Multiple attempts from both teams to finish things off, but Poyos prevailing in the end. Faring here in terms of the follow-ups and the effort.
Yeah. Nice jump serve. Balingit! Corner pocket.
Compared to what we've seen in the last few rallies, but seeing the hole there in Zone 5.
Benulyar. Ganda ng serve. Free ball for UST. Jurado, tinulak. Espina. Papunta kay Angel Abacon. Pasok yan.
What a hit coming on the side of UST. Was anticipating that shot, but last minute going down the line.
The spike brought to you by Potato Corner, World's Best Flavored Fries. Hindi sumisigaw doon. Parang si ano yata yun eh. Si Embanagua yata yun eh. Ngayon si Kat Molina.
Ooh,
Balingit Sugoy!
San Beda did not at all. But it's opposite setting for UST, going all the way.
Dispalinghado yung first ball ni Angel. Siya kanyang papalo. Oy, nagawa na paraan. Gusto niya yung malakas. Pero ang lakas din ng mga service. Nung Angel Habacon, tatlong sunod-sunod na
Negative aces here by Angel Habacon that forces a change in libero. That Pepito now back in for Escobar.
Pepito, better reception. Balingit puts it away!
Julia Balingit with the veteran Detet Pepito. And Balingit showing so much power here in the first set.
This is the best I've seen Julia Balingit here in the preseason. Nairaos ng UST yung set number 1 against Beda, 25-21. Ito naman para sa San Beda dito sa second set. Castillo, inangat ni Arasan. Jurado! Pumuntos para sa uste. Silang. Target si Chay Castillo. From the pipe. De La Cruz. Gandang pasa, Espina. Creating a play for Chay Castillo. What was rejected by the net defense of UST.
Pinolyar as we begin set number 2.
This block is brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce. 4-point lead. They disrupt the pattern here of San Beda. Free ball for UST. Lian Penolyar obliges.
Here in set number 2, that was a perfect setup coming from Silang.
Actually, these two squads not present today. With Coach Shaq De Los Santos, from what I understand, he's battling. Pero ito si Reg Jurado, I'm sure masaya si Coach Shaq dahil maganda yung lack for San Beda. Fernandez one more time. Biong pops it up. De La Cruz is finally at the front row. Fernandez guiding it over and through.
Good decision, but seeing that San Beda was able to dig that ball.
The school play is brought to you by RNB Mill. Faithfuls here. De La Cruz. Nice coverage by Amber Biong. Sa bandang kanan, Kat Molina. Nakabantay si Espina. Molina susubok ulit. Naka-drop ball si Kat.
This time on the side of San Beda, Molina opting for a drop, seeing that Arasan was
You can and Kayla.
Thank you so much, Fiona. An ace.
UST. Red Jurado with a service ace. Well, going back to that story on Marga Altia, she was, other than that, it's really the mental and just the whole aura that San Beda has.
Cross court, De La Cruz, hinabol pa ni Arasan, buhay pa ang bola. Agkakataon para San Beda, medyo dispalinghado nga lang yung first ball doon ni Janelle Batchar. Arasan, binasag lang yung block.
Arasan won on using those hands to get that check.
That play was brought to you by Kick, powered by Smart Our Way, our rules. Download the app now. Hahabol yung binild. If you remember that last set, fourth set yata yun, no? They were in front 19-12. Humabol ang binild. And Coach Kung Fu Reyes was harping about yung end game.
And the killer instinct that he was looking for. Yung panapos ng San Beda.
Ah! Arasan, all power!
You can count on her when you need some power for UST.
This spike brought to you by Potato Corner, World's Best Flavored Fries. Order now. Racked up 4 straight wins, including that one against FEU to begin round number 2. Penolyar! Pancake save attempt. No, it was foiled. Fernandez here the pop-up. Nice block by Angel Habacon.
Angel coming from Pinolyar.
This block is brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken Sauce Bar. Order now. Yung middle blocker pa, binlock niya dun, ha? Silang. Arasan will not be denied this time.
Steph Arasan closes from this girl. Good setup as well from Silang.
Dominant set. Won by UST 25-9. To you by Shakey's from era to era to era. The fun keeps rolling. 50 years of fun, family and pizza at Shakey's. Habakon. Down the line. Yes.
Actually, kanina pa yung
Ula will serve. Iponya. Habakon. Binasag yung block.
with so much heart. And a setup there from Hiponya and Habakon with a check.
This school play is brought to you by RNB. We're in the youth level, representing our country internationally. Oh, Reg gets set to go.
Take a look at Wahe's sets, those faster and quicker tempos.
Yeah.
Trying to lose those blocks.
Wahe, Poyos, nakabantay yung block ng San Beda doon. Ay! Red Jurado, able to slice that one through.
On that last attack. But Char not in place to dig that ball.
Po, sabi niya. In difficult moments, especially when they lose sight of the system, Angel chooses calm over chaos.
Arlene Wahe, another good serve. Habakon rises, was sent back. Angel, yes.
Habakon being hit.
This spike is brought to you by Potato Corner, world's best favorite fries. Order now.
Siya pa ata
But Char, cross court, gets that one to go. Choniega. Wahe with a combination play. Red Jurado, nabasa doon ng San Beda that time. Boy pa ang bola, UST. Will reload. Angge Poyos, the hang time.
ang
Cool play is brought to you by R&B Milk Tea. Order now. Pasok. At lamang na ng 5 ang UST. Kat Molina with a good serve. Poyos. Castillo itinawid. Castillo goes long. Nice smart play.
to push that ball to the end line of San Beda. Actually, that was her second attempt. Only reaching 9 in terms of their scoring. But Marga Altea again, this time.
Star Marga Altea. This cool play brought to you by R&B Milk Tea. Order now. Kailangan magtiwala ka din na kahit tingin mo hindi option yun, pero baka pwede. Yun yung sinasabi ni Coach Benji doon sa last timeout na yun. Actually maganda yung katubig connection that time, pero I think it's the right approach for this team. I feel like Molina getting back to Angel Abacon. Katubig, handa doon si Silang for the recoil. Jurado, nandun si Castillo sa likod. Katubig, napayungan, walang coverage. A block from UST.
Good block there coming.
Joust at the net. San Beda still alive. Nicely done from Angel, disrupting the rhythm of UST. They have a chance to attack here. Habakon ay nagawan pa rin ng paraan kahit dispalinghado.
Adjustment there coming from that set. And good decision to go for that drop. Fernandez was not ready.
Diyan magtatapos ang laban ng San Beda at UST. And you see the coaches ay magkakilala yung mga yan. Coach Yani, Coach Rico, Coach Benji. Bagamat wala si Coach Shaq at si Coach Kung Fu, naging maganda yung digmaan itong dalawang kupunan na ito.
That does it for UST, winning in 3.
another match against NU in the quarterfinals. That's our final score, 25-21, 25-9, and 25-17.